The frame is glued together with overlapping joints for maximum strength. Once the cross members are put on and bolted on, there's literally no twist at all to the frame. I use V-groove bearings for the whole slide system that run on 3/4 inch angle iron. I also have adjustments on the side here to tighten the bearings up to keep it tight against the rails. The motor is actually a 12 volt Ryobi out of an old drill. It's powered with a 12 volt power supply. The nice thing about the drill is it has its own gearbox, and it has the chuck where you can actually chuck it to the threaded rod. This is a homemade forward reverse switch sitting in a carriage now, but it can be put on the floor and uses a foot switch. Here I am adjusting the limit switch, which you can set it for depth adjustments on your any of your cuts. I just removed the stock plate, the smooth one, and I also have plates with a 1/2 inch pin in it and one with a 1/4 inch pin in it, and that's what I use for my pin routing. To set it up as a regular router, I take the plate out, and then I'm going to drop the whole router carriage down to the surface of the table, and this will allow the router carriage to lower itself into the hole all the way through to the other side with the motor. The real nice thing about having the plunge feature on this is you never have to lock the router wherever you set it. It's so rigid that you don't have to lock it. And another nice feature about this is you can actually plunge up into your work while you're working, or if you're doing shallow cuts and you want to keep incrementing your cuts up, you can do it that way as opposed to shutting everything down and raising everything up. Just by using a limit switch, you would stop yourself from going too far. This next fence is for the horizontal table part of it. It has a lot of adjustments on it to make everything fit together if you go 90 degrees or 110 or whatever you decide to do. But there's enough adjustments on there for make everything work. Once I put it on, I realized I didn't get it parallel with the table, so it may look a little crooked when I tip it up, but it's all adjustable. Just have to take your time to do that. Once I get it tilted up, I turn the handles down on the end, it locks it in. The nice thing about a horizontal table on this machine is you can still use the plunge feature on it